Visual English Lab.
Visual English Lab.
Look at the picture. There is one cat. We use there is for one thing. Now look, there are 3 cats. Use there are for many. I have some fruit. We use some for yes sentences. For questions, we ask, do you have any fruit? For no, we say, I don't have any. An action can be the first word. For example, swimming is fun. Reading is good. Running is great exercise. What action do you like? See all the people? The man wearing the red hat is my friend. The words wearing the red hat give us special information about the man. Listen to the order. Open your book. Sit down. These are commands. You use them to tell a person what they must do. Be happy. For one thing near me, I say, this apple. For one thing far away, that apple. For many things near me, I say, these apples. We use much for things that are hard to count, like water. I do not have much water. We use many for things we can count. After some words like enjoy, like, or finish, the next action word needs ing. I enjoy learning. She likes playing. He finished eating dinner. John broke the window. To show it was John and nobody else, we say it was John who broke the window. This makes it very strong. What is for a thing? Where is for a place? When is for a time? And who is for a person? Who is your teacher? The verb to be changes for each subject. I am, you are, it is. We use these words to describe who or what something is. For regular verbs in the past, we add ed. Today, I walk. Yesterday, I walked. This shows the action is finished. To ask about life experiences, we often use the present perfect. Have you ever been to Paris? Asks about any time in your life. Use the second conditional for imaginary situations. If I won the lottery, I would buy a car. It's not real, just a dream. For emphasis in formal writing, we can invert the subject and verb. Not only is he smart, sounds stronger than the normal order. We use a before a consonant sound, like a banana. We use an before a vowel sound, a, e, I, o, u, like an apple. To compare two things, we add er. The giraffe is tall. The monkey is short. The giraffe is taller than the monkey. We use used to for a habit in the past that is not true now. In the past, I rode a bike. Now, I drive a car. So, I used to ride a bike. In the first part, the person is the focus. The person builds the house. Active. In the second part, the house is the focus. The house is built. Passive. The first person shows he is cold, but does not say it. He implies it. The second person sees and understands the idea. He infers what the first person wants.